with detangled dry hair to the house, and this type of things is helping me a lot. I even cut her hair, as you guys can see. I cut her hair now, and now the hair is a little bit short, and it's easier for me also to do my work. This is a natural relaxer for hair. So moringa is very good. It's having so many benefits, and fenugreek is the same thing. Rice is the same. So these ingredients that I use, I said you guys should wait for me so that after I will narrate each ingredient benefit for you people. Okay, because I just want to be focused on her hair. By the time she's going to start to make drama, that time I will finish doing it, and I allow her to rest before we go and back it. I'm checking the down part also to make sure that the scalp also do. But this is very powerful, guys. It's very powerful treatment, because as you guys can see what I do, this you cannot do it and you are so complaining that your hair is breaking, but mind you people, everything consistency is the key here. Okay, so this treatment, before you get it get work very good for you, you have to be consistency using. So all the natural ingredients, if you are not using the consistency, you may not get what you want. So if you want the benefit, then you have to stick doing it consistency. Okay, so that it will help you a lot. I'm cleaning the ground because I know some people, they don't do the scalp. They say, oh, it will cause blowout. But if you don't wash it well, of course, not only the scalp is going, all the hair, even if you don't wash it well, you are going to get blowout from your scalp. So it's the same thing to relaxer. Relaxer, if you make the chemicals relaxer into your hair without washing it well, it's going to burn your hair, right? So it's the same thing to this type of natural ingredient. Always try to wash it well after doing it, after applying it to your scalp or your hair. And you cannot bath without washing your feet. Can you say, oh, your feet, because of for you to bend down is difficult, so you will not wash your feet? No, you have to do it every part. So it's the same thing to your scalp, because normal healthy hair always starting from the scalp. You need to have the healthy scalp. If you have healthy scalp, you are going to get a healthy hair. If you don't have healthy scalp, you can never get a healthy hair. So don't doing this and say you always going to focus only the hair, the ends, because you want to maintain your hair length. So that's why you are going to focus only the ends and the hair without doing the scalp. All is having problem. So all you need to focus all the parties and make sure every part is full care. Let me see this thing. Yeah, I'm trying to find something. Oh, I'm not seeing it very well.